Best regards. My name is Miguel Rosero Ballesteros. Presents diagrams Ishikawa diagram, and counts nine are Airbnb business strategy, business category, business model, cause, market segmentation. I don't know category customers, customer relationship, lack of truth, cause, stroke, variable and fets, category, financing, cause, investor perception, bad impressions, business idea, ambition and mission, bad profitability, category, service, cause, breakfast service, range limitation, like three variable and service, category descends, cause, purpose quality, distrust, better long name, confusing typical logo, category competitive strategy, cause, deprivation of external and internal threats, category legal matters, cause, for security policies, property risk, compliance and laws, legalizations of third company, legalization of third companies. Thank you.